Hey guys, what's up? It's Isaac here, and today we're gonna be doing like segment of review. So basically, how I do my phone reviews, I'm gonna do it in like segments. So we're gonna do like different segments like design, ringtones, wallpapers, and then just like a full overview and stuff like that. So yeah. So today we're gonna be doing ringtones of my HTC trophy here. So to get to the ringtones, just go to settings, ringtones and sounds. There are quite a few ringtones. But yeah, these are the Windows ringtones. So let me make sure the volume is up. And then, so we have pure. Then you have silk. Symmetry. Pearl. Lattice. I don't know. Spring. Lantern. Jade. Curve. Ginger. Amulet. Willow. Two-step. Bounce. I think that's what I have my laptop set on. Shine. Beam. Groove. Glide. Hop. Flicker. Cruise. Sunrise. Haze. Jump. Starlight. Tribe. City. Bell. Yeah, I don't know. A go-go. Classic. And this is what I have it. And then this play is what I have it set on right now, and it's pretty much my favorite one out of them all. Play that one for you again. I just don't know why I like that one. It's just kind of like a cool sound. Believe. Glitter. Burn. When I first heard it, I didn't think it would go into this like elaborate thing. But like, man, bling. Dance. Peace. Whisper. Purr. And this is just the regular Verizon one. I'll play it anyway. They should have like a separate Verizon section because they have it in like Windows Phone section, ringtones, and then HTC. I don't know why they don't have like a specific Verizon section, but whatever. And then you have the HTC ringtones, so you have 8-Bit Kid. These are definitely not the ones you would normally find on Android HTCs. Some of them are, very few of them are actually. Bell curve. Bells. Black Book. Bluesy. Bookum. Classical Chop. Clicky EP. Dance. Digital Water. That's just weird. Disdained. Drum Slide. Electro. EP Groove. Epiphany. Falling Star. Fast Forward. Gamer. Glass. The glass one you would see on a pretty much on a lot of HTCs. Yeah, I definitely recognize that one. I'd see that on Android HTCs. Glockenspiel. Guitaring. Hard Candy. Harp Glitch. Heist. Hit It. Ice Skate. Jitter. I think you hear that one twice. Like, it's like 2 different names, but it's the same exact ringtone for both. Laser tag. Lavender. Magnetics. Old phone. Definitely recognize that one. Over here. Playground. Portal. Pulsar. Purple. Quietly brilliant. Oh, my bad. Yeah, sorry. Quietly brilliant. Yeah, I just accidentally hit that. Ring around. Ew, that one's annoying. Rusted. Synth. Segovia. Shine. Silver Simple. Silver. Oops. Yeah, I was playing Sonic, sorry. Sonic. Standard 1. Standard 2. Standard 3. Standard 4. Standard 5. I swear, that was the Jitter one. What was it called? Jitter? Yeah. Jitter and Standard 5 are this exact same ringtone. It's so weird. Starfield.